everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, yes, I'm gonna do a simple makeup look. This look is from my makeup kit. So this will be a 2-in-1 video. So one is yung kung ano lang yung laman ng makeup kit ko everyday, and kung ano yung most important skincare na dapat na meron kayo everyday. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. First things first, I'm gonna share with you the first product that I put on my face. Because of my recent breakouts, I'm trying to avoid wearing foundation every day. I discovered the Bella Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50. It has a tone adapted technology and it's paraben free. No need to use your brush or your beauty blender because it's super easy to use. You can just use your fingertips to spread it all over your face. As you all know, I'm still going through a very tough time. So, you know, I need to cover my dark circles with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. For my acne scars, I'm using my Naturactor in the shade 151. On a daily basis talaga, ay mas gusto ko talagang gamit ng fingertips. Ayan. For my cheeks, I'm gonna use my new favorite. This is the Colorette Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Talia. I'm gonna set everything in place with my Makeup Forever loose powder. For contour and highlight, I'm gonna use my Jessie J's Makeup Forever Artist Base Color. Let's not forget the nose. We will also use powder on my eyelids. To set my blush, I'm also gonna use the blush inside the palette. Since I cry a lot, I use my Sephora Contour Eye Pencil that is waterproof. Then I'll curl my lashes and then put mascara. Lastly, I'm gonna put my Tony Moly Lovely Eyebrow Pencil. As you all know, ito yung pinaka-favorite na eyebrow pencil ko. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm gonna use my Tony Moly Circle Lens Mascara. Don't forget to clean the excess. I'm gonna put my favorite Maybelline, which is in the shade almond pink. To create a gradient effect, I'm gonna put the